So for us, it was a major overhaul that was every bit of 5 to 10 years in the making that needed to happen to try to get us on the cutting edge of technology. Dominic Monaco, president, Monarch Construction Company. We're a carpenter contractor company located in the Chicago area. You guys did a nice job. It was professional. It was handled quickly. It was done quickly. Plus, we had you guys do 2 conference rooms with one's an 84-inch TV. The other one's a 65, I think the one is. All touchscreen applications. Everything that I wanted to have, so I can bring in any kind of blueprints. Use it as a whiteboard. We bring in Zoom. We can have meetings, conference meetings with people in and out. We're able to access any of our information throughout the office at any of our workstations, including the conference rooms. So it was an upgrade for technology from us, and you guys made it very easy. So it was everything from the hardware to the software to getting everything integrated, making sure it was up and running, and it was a smooth transition.